The Laotian government has been very reluctant to allow any outsiders to meet with the Hmong, because as many as 10,000 of the Raven's former allies and their descendants are still fighting, still launching guerrilla attacks.
Says he's running low on ammunition.
This rare video has never been shown on U.S. television. It was shot by Hmong guerrillas in 2002. They show themselves returning from battle against Laotian government troops. These guerrillas live in the jungle with their families, with no medical supplies, very little food, always on the run. The Laotian army is trying to end the insurrection. The guerrillas say they are being persecuted.
He'd like to address President Bush. He'd like to address President Nixon as well. He says that he's one of the soldiers that were left behind. He says it's because of his work for the CIA that he's being persecuted. He says that if he doesn't receive any help, he's not going to make it for too long.